Hello guys, how are you all? So this reading is about, here we will be checking what is exactly happening in their life, especially if you are in your no contact zone, or even if you're single. We will be tapping into the energies of the destined partner. We will just be looking at what is exactly happening in their life. What does their love life looks like right now? Okay, so let's begin. So first we will be tapping into the normal energy, into their general energy. Okay, so it says you will keep meeting for the potential partners until and unless you do this basic thing, which is to say no. Then we have either it is marriage or it is nothing. It might as well take soon. The universe or the source is giving them no other option but to take an action towards you. This situation involves unnecessary actions or moves which may turn out to be something stupid in the end. And sexual attraction, they know how to be tempted or tempt you might as well play well with the energy. I don't know about the alpha male or female, but I am definitely going to give you what you wish for. So I see an energy of two people here. Okay, one person is someone I think that you are in no contact zone with. You are dealing with someone with whom, so there's someone specific in your mind, but also you are wanting to know about someone new, if someone new is coming. Okay, so firstly, okay, there's one more message which says everyone is fighting for bread and butter, either through politics or by putting the other person down. Take it as a silly joke. Let spirituality make you humorous. So one thing is for sure, I think if you are in a no contact zone, I do feel that your person is doing something to gain your attention. Your person is doing certain silly things, probably putting weird kind of stories, or they know that this XYZ person doesn't like this, or this person may not like this, or this person might feel envious or jealous. So this person is doing something deliberately. They know how to tempt you. Okay, they know how to get your attention. So यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसी cycle चल रही है which is being repeated. Okay, and this person is like, मैं तो यही चीज़ करती रहूँगी या करता रहूँगा, but it is up to you whether you break the cycle or not, because the control is in your hand. Okay, the tempter is going to tempt you, but whether you get tempted or not, that is something which is in your control. Okay, also I do feel that this person, I don't think that your person is dating someone, but I would say this person is kind of considering that either they are going to marry you or someone else, or they're not going to do any kind of hookups or flings or anything like that, because I do feel that this person was someone who had certain commitment issues and stuff, but this person has realized something, and that is probably that either there is marriage or there's nothing. Okay, then I also feel that it involves some unnecessary actions. I do think that this person is going to do something stupid, behave in a stupid manner, or doing something silly just to gain your attention, so that you notice them, so that you start observing them, so that they start affecting you. Something or the other, they want to do something similar to that. All right. Okay, again we have that universe is definitely giving them an option to take an action towards you. Okay, but now it's more about wait and watch kind of an energy, where you also need to wait and watch, and universe is also going to wait and watch to really see whether this person has the capability of using their willpower or not. Okay, now let's see what is happening in their love life. One thing is for sure, that they know that time is very less. Okay, they need to buckle up, they need to get rid of certain addictions. This person knows that they do have certain unhealthy addictions. Okay, and they are taking time to heal. Okay, collective, they are taking this person knows that they are someone who needs to work on themselves, and probably they have been taking a lot of time to heal themselves, they have been taking a lot of time to reflect upon themselves. Okay, and they might need more time. I don't think this person has completely healed. um I do feel that there is someone who is being a snake energy into their life, and this person is not really understanding what consequences it may bring. It's like this person is kind of sharing each and everything with some person. Okay, and this person could be of same gender, this person could be of opposite gender also, but this person whomsoever you are dealing with, they need to know that they need to cut ties so that they can actually ascend. Okay, because I think this person, your person, whomsoever you have in your mind, your person is actually wanting to offer you something solid. They want to offer you a proposal, or it could be an engagement ring or something promising for sure, because this person wants a promising future with you, this person wants a completion with you. And I do see that there's some person, there's either probably there's some other woman, okay, who is kind of manipulating them, telling them that you shouldn't be doing this or you should be doing that and stuff like that. Okay, it's like bahut zyada clever energy is what I can sense here. Okay, and at the same time, it's like this person will have to, like, your person will have to cut ties with this person, only then they will be able to take an action. Okay, let's see whether this person will realize what is happening or not. Definitely this person will get to know the truth about this lady. Okay, they will either sense that this another woman or this another man is kind of interested in them. Okay, and that is why they are giving wrong signals, wrong messages, different kind of advices, different kind of suggestions and stuff like that. And ये बहुत बातें करते करते पता चलेगा. Let's say both of them will be talking, and बातें करते करते कुछ slip हो जाता है, and this person might say something. Okay, and that is exactly the moment when this person, your person, will understand that it's all a plot. Okay, it's all a made up story. This person is not genuine, they shouldn't be sharing anything with anyone who is of opposite gender, or even with their friend. Something of that sort is definitely happening. And I do see 20th July, 21st July, and 22nd July can be very important for you. Next Sunday can be important for you. Okay, and I do see that that is going to be a final completion into your life. Okay, probably you have been asked to wait. Probably you are being you know, asked to surrender, or you are on a hold, or universe is putting you in some kind of an illusion कि अभी आपको ये करना है, because so that you don't get hurt, because this person needs to take their last lesson. Okay, and once they have completed their lessons, once this person has taken this last lesson of this whole third party situation, okay, intentionally, unintentionally, whatever it may be, that is when you will get the justice. Okay, but that justice is very important. All right, so that was a short reading and that was a short message for you. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.